Hello, we are off to a wassail. Wassailing is an old pagan ritual which usually takes place on Twelfth Night. The local community joins together in an orchard to wish good health to the apple trees and to scare off evil spirits by making lots and lots of loud noises.
This could be the only time someone asks you to make a loud noise. Very good. So, let's go back up to the top.
There are many wassailing events across the country and they usually take place at the beginning of the year. At this event, there is even dancing. It's tradition to place toast on the branches to attract the good spirits. Usually these are disguised as birds and insects, and to also pour some cider back to the tree to say thank you.
We'll see you in the park!
Currently, in the central parts of the UK, we're experiencing cool and crisp weather. It's really nice to get out and enjoy the sunshine as the days become longer. On our walk, the lake had frozen over and the trees were standing bare, as if in anticipation for spring. I thought I'd wrap up this video with my favourite footage of an adolescent swan that gently bows their head. Thank you and goodbye.